This tutorial guides you through creating and launching your online store on SiteCliq Stores. You will learn how to register an account and set up a new store. To create a new account, navigate to www.sitecliq.store. Click Get Started to create a new account. Click the Type First Name field and enter your first name. Click the Username field to enter your desired username. Click the Email field to input your email address. Enter your phone number in the designated field. Click the Country dropdown and select your country from the list. Click the Type Password field to enter your password. Click the Confirm Password field to re-enter your password for confirmation. Click to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy by creating an account. Click Sign Up Now to complete your account registration on SiteCliq Store. After creating an account, log in to the new account. Click Login to proceed to the login page. Enter your username in the field. Click the Password field to enter your login password. Click Sign In to log into your SiteCliq account. Congratulations! You have successfully created and logged into your new SiteCliq account. Click Create Shop to start creating your new online store. Click Shops to open the Shop selection menu where you can add or select a shop. Select Add New Shop to create a new shop. Click Shop Name to enter your new store name. Click the Package dropdown to select a subscription plan for your shop. Choose the appropriate subscription package for your store. Select a payment method. Click Create to finalize the creation of your new shop with the selected package. Click Submit to save your shop details and proceed. Go back to your dashboard and you will see your newly created store. Click Login as Super Admin to access your administrator page. In this page, you can manage everything about your store. In the next couple of videos, you will learn how to customize everything about your store, from adding new products to customizing your brand. See you in the next one.